So tandaan lang, kapag may client or may business which is previously non-VAT and now registers as VAT, then it will be subject to transitional input VAT. May additional kang pwedeng i-claim. That is 2% of the beginning inventory that is VATable or actual VAT on beginning inventory. Next, presumptive input VAT. Ano naman tong presumptive input VAT? Ito, hindi applicable sa lahat ng business. Saka lang kapag ikaw ay processor or yung business mo ay sardines, mackerel, milk, cooking oil, packed noodles, or refined sugar. So transitional, if you are non-VAT going to VAT, presumptive input VAT if your business is within these items. So sardines, mackerel, milk, cooking oil, packed noodles, or refined sugar. If you are the processor, kapag processor ka, hindi yung nagbebenta ka lang. Dapat ikaw yung gumagawa ng sardinas mismo, mackerel, ng milk, ng cooking oil para makaklaim ka ng presumptive input VAT.